One of the most simple but powerful features inside of Valor is the grouping function. The grouping function not only allows you to group your players and know which licenses exist within each group, but it also allows you to report on a group-by-group basis. Within Valor's reporting, you can look at each user as an individual or all the users in your organization. But once you've put users into different groups, you can actually look at reporting for each group too. So let's take a look at how to do this. The first step is pressing the new group button and then picking a naming convention. In this case, I'm going to create a whole grade, so we'll call this grade 7. And now I have grade 7 available to me, so I can add to the group with the edit group assignment button for each player. Let's say that I want to have a look at not just the grade, but also smaller teams. I could create a new group and call this the Rocket League Junior Varsity team. And from there, I can add those same players to this new team. So if I wanted to look at a larger group for the whole grade versus just the Rocket League Junior Varsity team, I'll be able to do that in reporting. This can also be incredibly helpful for class management. For example, if I have a class, let's call it Period 1, I could make that class its own group inside of Valor. If I did this for all of my classes, I could actually filter between them at the top very easily. This makes life incredibly easy, not only for looking at which licenses exist within each group, in case you have questions from students around their usernames, but it's also great for reporting based on groups, which we'll get to later. If for any reason you want to delete a group, you need to empty it first. So we'll go to the Edit Group Assignment button for each player in the Period 1 group and remove them from this group. Once the group is completely empty, a little X button appears next to its name above all of my users. I can hit this X button and I'll delete the group. Just be careful if you have any inactive players. You'll also need to remove them from a group to delete it if you haven't already taken them out of groups when you make them inactive.